You helped me by erasing my mind what unfaded memories I had. Oh. You left me in a black hole of rage and confusion. Without the medicine you practice, Dr. Quinzel.
What are you gonna do? You gonna kill me, Mr. J?
What? Oh, I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad. Got it. I am not someone who is loved. I'm an idea. State of mind. I execute my will according to my plan, and you, Doctor, are not part of my plan. If you weren't so crazy, I'd think you were insane. Go away. Question. Would you die for me?
Yes.
That's too easy. Would you live for me?
Yes.
Careful. Do not say this oath thoughtlessly. Desire becomes surrender, surrender becomes power. Do you want this?
I do.
You need me!